Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make bratwurst with sauerkraut. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 6 fresh bratwurst sausages and 2 pounds of good quality sauerkraut. Don't forget 1 large onion, thinly sliced, and 2 tablespoons of butter. Also, have on hand 1 cup of chicken or beef broth and a half cup of apple cider. These simple ingredients will create a delicious and authentic German-inspired meal that's perfect for any occasion. Now let's get cooking. In a large skillet or Dutch oven, melt your 2 tablespoons of butter over medium-high heat. Once the butter is shimmering, add the fresh bratwurst sausages. Brown them on all sides for about 5 minutes until they have a nice golden crust. Remove the bratwurst from the skillet and set them aside. Next, add your sliced onion to the same skillet, scraping up any brown bits from the bottom. Sauté the onions until they are soft and translucent, which usually takes about 8 minutes. Once your onions are softened, it's time to build the flavor. Pour in the half cup of apple cider, scraping the bottom of the pan to deglaze it and incorporate all those delicious brown bits. Then, add the 2 pounds of sauerkraut and 1 cup of chicken or beef broth to the skillet, stirring to combine. Carefully nestle the browned bratwurst back into the sauerkraut mixture. Cover the skillet and let it simmer gently for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the bratwurst are thoroughly cooked and tender. Your delicious bratwurst and sauerkraut are now ready to enjoy. Serve them hot, perhaps with a dollop of your favorite mustard and some crusty bread to soak up all the flavorful juices. This dish also pairs wonderfully with creamy mashed potatoes or a crisp green salad for a complete meal. For those who love to plan ahead, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers that make meal prep a breeze, along with other great deals. Enjoy your homemade German feast.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.